The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm Peter Drury, and seated in the experts' hot seat is our man Jim Beglin.
Thanks for that, Peter. Hi everyone. The excitement has really picked up now and I'm eager for the action to start.
A quick look at the lineups. And we're underway. Has a hit! Oh, great save, real class.
That wasn't the easiest of saves by any means, Peter, and I think his instincts were, well, they were just razor sharp.
Fence has got rid of that. Who's going to make this theirs? Oh, he's come flying in. Thrust towards the front line. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Pumps it upfield. Goes long. Gets it upfield. Great challenge. Plays it out to the flank. Tries a through ball. Oh, that's neat. Crosses in a low one.
Right place, right time. It was just as well the defender was on hand to mop it up.
Spoon forward. Wilson! He's got away with one there.
Oh, look, I don't need to tell you that that is not a good area to lose possession in, and should it be repeated, I think there's a real chance that the next time they're going to be punished for it.
Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that.
Turns and goes back. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Hits one! Goal! Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
Well, to his credit, he managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but the failure to spot him was ghastly defence.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Arsenal have a poor touch to thank for getting away with it.
Just when it was all looking a little promising too, he miscontrols as the counter-attack seemed to have good momentum. He's just got to shake it off now and put it down as a rare slip-up.
Looks like a good ball through. Timely intervention. Played out to the right. Now the pass. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And he's going to have his name taken. Players protesting furiously, but there's little or no sympathy from the ref. So what can they conjure from this one?
And just look at the keeper. He's really busy trying to get as much protection in place as he possibly can.
That was travelling. Looks to slip it through. Back to the keeper and try something new. Aimed long and direct. Sticks in a foot to win it back. Keeper's got good distance on that. Passes it through. He's gone for it! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Get a throw in. Wilson. Now the pass. Aimed in towards the centre. He's there to get rid. Danger averted for now. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Tries to get it forward quickly. Gets it back. Looks like a good ball through. Brings it forward. It's a loose ball. And that is going to be the final action of the first half.
It's a dressing room that needs rousing at half-time because, in truth, they've not really been at it so far. If the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to. West Ham need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Going for goal! Saved only by poor finishing.
Probably not his best option. I think goalkeepers are normally happy for players to have a go from there. They've come out of the dressing room firing on all cylinders now. We could be in for quite a second half here.
Tries the route one option. Who's going to make this theirs? Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Promising cross. Firmly met. That's not going to find its target. Spoon forward. Oh, good interception. Aimed long and direct. Looks to slip it through. And the defence can get it clear. And he's there to hoof it away. So we've reached the hour mark. Your impression so far, Jim?
West Ham are now matching their opponents blow for blow, despite the scoreline. No shrinking violets out there.
No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Tries a through ball. Can he find a finish now? And he's there to make a great save.
He made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Well, the referee's pulled play back and has booked him for the original offence. Clears it out of harm's way.
Arsenal have anticipated an aerial bombardment.
Just looks like mass defence.
Yeah, it's a case of needs must at certain times, Peter, and they have to respond to what's being asked of them.
Tries a long pass towards the front. Goes long and forward. Looks to slip it through. Has a swing at it! They've scored! 2 to the good! They have breathing space! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, I think 2 keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind 1. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Arsenal take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable from here on in.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. And it's Wilson. Now the pass. Crosses it in low. He's scored! We have got ourselves a game here.
Well, they've given themselves a chance here, but now it's a case of getting the balance right between attack and defence, and that's not easy.
Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Battles to win it back. Wilson. It is looking like the end. If anything's going to happen, it's got to happen now.
Their attitude has been absolutely fantastic. This is all about never say die.
Pumps it forwards. And that's a throw. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Good challenge, he just stood firm. Pumps it upfield. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time. Passes it through. Get that clear. And that will be the final act. Terrific contest. It might easily have tipped either way. The margins are tiny. Just a goal in it. Sadly, that's all it takes. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Well, the surprise for me was seeing a team look so feeble in what is usually a strongly protected area. But the centre of their defence looked open and very, very unsafe.
Well, that's the lot for now. Thanks to you, Jim, and goodbye.